Screen. Once. Hey, Vishwa, can you adjust? Who will adjust, right? Jivika will adjust. Tilt it more down, no? When you are releasing up, slowly you release. Okay, sit, no issue. Leave it. Okay, today paper discussion. Okay, Telma, any question, please ask me directly. Huh? Sixth question. 5 also. Okay, students. Hello. She asked the fifth. Otherwise, we'll go. No issue. I will explain everything. Question number 5. Dimensions of the block are 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Sorry, 100 centimeter. If specific resistance means resistivity, students, and resistance between opposite rectangular faces. Opposite rectangular face means it will be like this. Rectangular face means it is 1 centimeter. It is how much? 100 centimeter. and current is entering into this phase. What is the name of the phase? AB, CD phase. Then same current is coming out of the rectangular phase. So what is resistance formula? Resistivity into length by area of cross section. L is nothing but the shortest distance between them. That is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means what? 10 power minus 2 meter. Area of cross section how much? 100 into 1 centimeter whole square. Centimeter means what? 10 power minus 2 whole power 2. Resistivity how much? 3 into 10 raised to minus 7. If you simplify, 3 into 10 power minus 9 minus 2 plus 4. So 3 into 10 power 4 minus 11. How much? 3 into 10 power minus 7 ohm is your answer. Option 2 is the perfect answer for the question. Six, no? You asked question number 6, huh? Now 2, huh? How to close this? Student, question number 2. Question number 2, from the graph between current and voltage V shown in the figure, identify the portion corresponding to visible, no? Corresponding to negative resistance. How much is asking? You know, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to how much? I into R. Resistance is nothing but V by I. In such graph, slope delta V by delta I is called resistance. But for this current value plotted on y-axis, na, means 1 divided by delta I by delta V. Means resistance is nothing but 1 by slope of this graph. Is asking when which part, which segment is getting negative resistance. Negative resistance means slope should be negative. Which part slope is negative, ma? A to B slope is positive, B to C also slope is positive, but C to D slope is decreasing and negative. So CD is your answer. Option 2 is the perfect answer for the question. Clear? What, ma? Not understood. Question paper? You got minus V. In the graph. For me, why I did not get? Question it is given B. Question I and voltage B. If it is given negative and positive also, it will come same answer. Same thing. If it is negative means symbol logic, it should you have to plot graph like this, na? Negative graph means how negative values you plotted on positive x-axis. I am not understanding. Are you understanding? Okay. Next. Sixth problem. What will be the equivalent resistance of the circuit shown in the figure between A point and D point? Why he specifically mentioned A and D? There you have to put the battery. Understood? Then this resistor is isolated and inactive and useless. Na? This resistance also useless or inactive, no current. It is not in circuit. Okay, so no current will flow. You can eliminate nicely. Then after eliminating, if you see the circuit, it will be like this. Now this 10 ohm and 10 ohm in which combo? Series. This 10 ohm and 10 ohm? 10 plus 10 how much? 20. Again 20 and 20 in parallel. What net resistance? 20 by 2 means 10. So I can write like this. This is 10 ohm. I can replace with 10 ohm and already one more 10 ohm is there. This is terminal A and terminal D. You people respond, these three are in which combination? Series. So answer is 30 ohm. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Option 2 is the right answer. See there, no one is saying I did not share the screen. That is not our job. That person only, he will identify himself. A few days before, one parent spoke, my ward is feeling lot of shy. You have to understand whether she is understanding or not. She will not talk. Then I asked with patient how she will treat sir without talking. She has to put question. She has to communicate. Then what treatment she will give sir? First of all, students should not have any shy. In the class, if you don't understand, sir, stop. Explain that I did not understand. Understood? Next question here. Next question. I don't think you people have shy or anything. Why? Because I observed you in corridor. You are not shy. No one have shy. Understood? I observed each and every student. No one have shy. Here you are actors. Okay. Who? Kavi Bharat is not shy. He will sell total Madurai to Coimbatore for 2 rupees. That much talent is there. Okay. Okay, so in the network shown in the figure, each of resistance how much? Okay, each resistance how many ohms? 2 ohms. The resistance between A and B how much? I think this is the already we discussed in the classroom that A wire you have to hold and you have to take out of the triangle. Okay, so what you have to do after taking, this is the A like this. This is A and B. This is C. Somewhere D here. Between A and C, one resistance is there. Between C and Sorry, this is D actually. D actually. 8 between A and D also one resistance is there. Between C and A is there, and between C and E, B is nothing but E only, na? Correct or not? B and E is same junction. Then again D and B also one more resistance is there, and A and D finished. One more resistance where it is C to, very good, C to D. Between A and B we put battery. All are 10 ohm only, na? Correct or sorry sir, 2 ohm and 2 ohm. This is also 2 ohm. This is also 2 ohm. Which is useless? Tell me. P by Q equal to R by S is followed, no? So what we can write? Remaining circuit I can draw like this. 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and 2 ohm. These two are in which combination? Series. Means 2 plus 2, 4. This also series. 4. 4 and 4 in which combination? Parallel. So 4 by 2 means what? 2 ohm. Answer is option 2. Eighth one. Okay, students, this is another question. 7 resistances are connected as shown in the figure. Equivalent resistance between A and B is how much? Between A and B, what you have to put? Battery connected 10 volt. Tell me 6 ohm and 6 ohm in which combination? Parallel, na? Anyway, I will redraw once again. And 10 ohm and 10 ohm also in which combination? Parallel. So remaining circuit I can write 5 ohm. This is 5 ohm. This is 8 ohm. This is 3 ohm. This is 3 ohm. Now, it is also Wheatstone bridge. Because if you straighted, I mean, if you inverted, what do you notice? It will be like this. If you invert the circuit, easily you will understand that the Wheatstone bridge, na? 5 ohm and 5 ohm and 3 ohm and 3 ohm and middle 8 ohm. I am leaving this. Okay. Next question. You want me to solve full? No need, na? Ask me another question. Next. 10. Okay, students, this is the next problem. A wire of resistance 0.5 ohm per meter means what is the resistivity of this? Sorry, not resistivity. 1 meter wire is having how much resistance? 0.5 ohm bent into a circle of radius 1 meter. So what is the radius of the circle? What is the radius of this wire? 1 meter. What is the length of this wire, ma? Pi into r, na? Length of the semicircle how much? Pi r. As per the data, 1 meter resistance is having 0.5 ohm means 5 meter is having some x ohm. I will divide them each other. So I will do cross multiplication. What you can write? X equal to 0.5 into pi ohm. This resistance how much? 0.5 into pi. In fact, this resistance also how much? 0.5 into pi ohm. This middle resistance is how much? 1 plus 1, 2 meters is there. Means 1 meter resistance is having 0.5 ohm, means 2 meter wire is having double. Correct? So this is 1 ohm resistance. Now tell me 0.5 into pi, 0.5 into pi, they are in which combo? Parallel. What net resistance? Respond, what net resistance? 0.5 into pi by 2. And this 1 ohm in which combination? Parallel. So again, they are also again in the net resistance, parallel, sorry. What net resistance formula in the parallel? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. R1 value how much? 0.5 into pi by 2 into R2 value how much? 1 whole divided by 0.5 into pi by 2 plus 1. So 0.5 into pi by 2 whole divided by how much? 0.5 into pi plus 2 divided by 2. 2 is getting cancelled out. So some more simplification we have to do. 0.5 into pi whole divided by 2 plus 0.5 into pi. Pi 0.5 I am bringing down. No issue now for you? Correct or not? 0.5 I am bringing down. 0.5, 0.5 cancels out. Pi whole divided by how much? 20 by 5, this one, plus pi. Means pi divided by pi plus 4 is our answer. Option 3 is the perfect answer for the question. Everyone understood? Next. Next.
Sir, 18.
18. Question number 18. Two condensers of capacitors are in which combination? 2 microfarad and 3 microfarad in series. And the outer plate of the first condenser is 1000 volt. First we have to visualize two capacitors. Outer plate of the first condenser is how much voltage? This is how many volt? 1000 volt. And outer plate of the second condenser is grounded. Then potential of the inner plate of each condenser how much? Potential of inner plate of each condenser means same only na. I will assume this is X volt and I will assume this is also X volt. This is grounded mean this is definitely 0 volt na. This is at 1000 volt. As per the data, this is 1000 volt. And the potential of the inner plate of each condenser means I will assume this is X. This is also X. So this capacitance how much? 2 microfarad. This capacitance how much? 3 microfarad. And a series combination rule. What is series combination rule? Charge on the C1 must and should be equal to charge on C2. What is charge on C1? Potential drop into C1. Potential capacitance is 2 and potential drop how much? X minus 1000. I'll assume charge is going like this. And what is charge on C2? 3 into X minus 0. So 2X minus 2000 is equal to how much? 3X. And 2X bring this side. So it will become how much? X equal to minus 2000.
Output bit of the first category is 100 volts. 1000. You consider second plate as 1000 volts. 1000 minus.
You want me to change 1000 minus x, huh?
Questions are given. The outer bit of the first condenser is 1000 volts. You have assumed the inner membrane.
Oh, this one,
that one is 1000 volts.
Very good, very good, very good. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. Now you will get the answer. Yes. Correct, correct. Very good. So now same method you have to do. 2 into how much? 1000 minus x equal to how much? 3 into x minus 0. Okay, so 2000 minus 2x equal to 3x. So 5x equal to 2000. X value how much? 400. Option 4. Key correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Next. 20. 20, ma? Okay. Anyway, is asking, na? Anyway, 2 minutes only. It doesn't matter. In the circuit shown in the figure, find the current through the branch BD. I counted the questions around approximately 20 questions. Directly we discussed in the class. I sent in PDF. I counted approximately near 20 questions came. As it is, as it is. If you have doubt, check it. Okay. Anyway, in the circuit shown in the figure, find the current through the branch BD. How much is asking? Many methods are there now, but I will use junction method. Shall I write this is 30 volt? This is 0 volt I can write now. This is how much volt? 0. This is also how much volt? 0. This is how much then? If you tell only, I will write 15 only now. Then this junction, I will assume X.